tryna grab a bit. That black yo magic, 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 magic, black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo. Look at that black yo, hitting me with all of that melanin, focus, baby.
So we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though. Hey, raindrop, drop top.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ash, aka Bougie Looks, and I'm back with another wig video. Today I showed you guys how I applied this 16-inch Brazilian straight wig, and I also showed you a demo application of this wig adhesive that I have been loving. It's from the Janet collection and it's their Esha Luxury Absolute Glue, and then they also sent me their wig glue remover. I love using these two together. This is actually the only wig adhesive that I use besides Got to Be Free Splash Spray, but y'all know that doesn't last. But I showed you guys how I applied this wig, and I also showed you how I styled it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love the outcome. This is my first time doing no baby hairs because this just looks so natural enough that I don't need to hide anything with any baby hairs. Like, I really did that. I really melted this lace into my skin. So I will be showing you guys how I do that. I will also be showing you guys how I correct bleached knots, because I did bleach the knots on this lace and I over bleached it and the hair turned blonde. So I showed you guys how to fix that. That's pretty much all I have to say. If you want to see how I achieved this look, continue watching. I'll have all the products I listed down below, as well as the hair description. If you watch this video all the way to the end, don't forget to thumbs it up. Don't forget to comment down below your thoughts. If you want to see more from your girl, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
So I already gave you some deets on the hair that I have in. It's a 16-inch straight Brazilian wig from a vendor on AliExpress called Miss Toxic Hair. I'm showing you how many clips it has. It has 4 clips, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and 1 in the middle, so it provides a pretty secure hold. One thing I will say about this hair is it's not true to length. It's more of like a 14-inch, and I ordered a 16-inch, so it's definitely not 16 inches. Also, as you can see in its natural state, it looks wavy. So the glue that I will be using today is from Janet collection. It's their Esha Adhesive Absolute Wig Glue. They sent me over that along with the wig remover. So here I'm just applying one thin layer, and I'm gonna let it dry for about a minute, and then I'm gonna apply the second layer.
These bitches, they fucking so thick and they bustin' for Instagram. Get your clout up. Yeah, that way. Float on the track like a Segway. Yeah, that way. I used to trap out of Subway. Yeah, that way. Young nigga trap with the AK. Yeah, that way. Big Dyke, get it, go Macy. Hey. Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger, nobody call up the gang.
This glue provides a really strong hold, so I definitely recommend that you guys figure out where you want to place your wig before you apply the glue, because once you lay it down, honey, it's not coming off. When I use this glue, my wigs stay on for over a week, literally. It is waterproof and it's also sweat resistant, which is amazing. So I can work out in it, go to the gym, go to the pool, and not have to worry about my lace lifting or slipping off.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger, nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Call me a river, give you a tissue. It's bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got better than 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got better than 100 rounds too. All set. Records on records, got backers on backers, I'm running around in a coupe. Courtside with a bad bitch. Then I send the bitch through Uber. I'm young and rich and plus I'm bougie. Not stupid, so I keep the Uzi. Records on records, yeah, records on records, so my money making my back pay. You niggas got a low act rate. We from the north, yeah, that way. That cookie blunt in the ashtray. You bitches just national smash day. Hop in the limb, have a drag race. I let them birds take a bath bag. Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, dot. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trick. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Call me a river, give you a tissue. It's bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got better than 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got better than 100 rounds too. Whole folk dropping money out of space. Kid, cut, drink, introduce me to your bitch's wife. And we know she slutty. Broke a brick down, nutty, buddy. Now that nigga ducky. Don't move too fast, I might shoot you. Draco, bad, Gucci. I'm always hanging with shooters. I need posters somewhere secluded. Still be playing with pots and pans. Call me Quavo at the Tula. Run with that set, call me Poopy. When I'm on stage, show me boobies. Ice on my neck on the coolest. How about the suicide with the ooze? I pull up, I hop out with all of the drugs and the good looks. I'm cooking, I'm whipping into it, rock up, let it lock up. I gave her 10 racks, I told her go shopping and spend it all at the pop-up. These bitches, they fucking so dick and they bustin' for Instagram, get your clout up. Yeah, that way. Float on the track like a Segway. Yeah, that way. I used to trap out of subway. Yeah, that way. Young nigga trap with the AK. Yeah, that way. Big Dyke, get it, go Macy. Hey. Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, dot. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trick. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. It's bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30 and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30 and 100 rounds too.
Raindrop, drop, smoking, cooking, hot, fucking the bitch, dot. Cooking dope in the pot. We came from nothing to something. I don't need nobody, quit the nobody. Call up gang and come and gang. Call me a river, you with shit. Bad, bullshit, bad. Cooking dope with booze. Niggas is ass, roof. We better than 100 bitch, bad, bullshit, bad. Cooking dope with booze. Niggas is ass, roof.
You know, young rich niggas. You know, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though. Hey! Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, dot. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trick. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. It's bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30 and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30 and 100 rounds too. All set. Records on records, got backers on backers. I'm riding around in a coupe. I take your beat right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. Need the whole walls. Hop in the fall. I tell that bitch to come for me. I swear these niggas is under me. The hate and the devil keep jumping me. They rose on me, keep me company. Hey, we did the most. Yeah, pull up and goes. Yeah, my diamonds a choker. Holding up out with no holster. With the ruler, diamond cooler. This a roller, not a mule. Yeah, magic with the brick and voodoo. Courtside with a bad bitch. Then I send the bitch through Uber. I'm young and rich and plus I'm bougie. Not stupid, so I keep the Uzi. Records on records, yeah, backers on backers, so my money making my back pay. You niggas got a low act rate. We from the north, yeah, that way. That cookie blunt in the ashtray. You bitches just national smash day. Hop in the limb, have a drag race. I let them birds take a bath bag. Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, dot. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trick. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. It's bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30 and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30 and 100 rounds too. Whole folk dropping money out of space. Kid, cut, drink, introduce me to your bitch's wife. wife, and we know she slutty. Broke a brick down, nutty, buddy, nutty, nigga, ducky. Don't move too fast, I might shoot you. Draco, bad, Gucci. I'm always hanging with shooters. I be posted somewhere secluded. Still be playing with pots and pans. Call me Quavo Ratatouille. Run with that set, call me Poopy. When I'm on stage, show me boobies. Ice on my neck on the coolest. How about the suicide with the ooze? I pull up, I hop out with all of the drugs and the good looks. I'm cooking, I'm whipping into it, rock up, let it lock up. I gave her 10 racks, I told her go shopping and spend it all at the pop-up. These bitches, they fucking so dick and they bustin' for Instagram, get your clout up. Yeah, that way. Float on the track like a Segway. Yeah, that way. I used to trap out of subway. Yeah, that way. Young nigga trap with the AK. Yeah, that way. Big Dyke, get it, go Macy. Hey.
Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Cooking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Hey. I don't trust nobody, grip the trick, nobody. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too.
Raindrops, drop top, smoking, cooking, hot pot. Fucking with this shit, that. Cooking dope and hot pot. We came from nothing to something. I don't need nobody, quit the nobody. Call up gang and come and gang. Call me Uber, you a check. Bad, bullshit, bad. Cooking dope with booze. Niggas is ass, roof. We better than 100 rounds. Bad, bullshit, bad. Cooking dope with booze. Niggas is ass, roof.
So this is the final look. I really love the outcome of it. I decided not to do baby hairs because the lace really just looked like my skin. Like it melted in so good because I used the Got To Be Freeze Blast Spray method on my edges. So I'm really getting like Brazilian blowout vibe looks from this hair. Definitely check out Miss Toxic Hair on AliExpress. Don't forget to leave your thoughts down below in the comments section, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
Records on records, got backers on backers, I'm riding around in a coupe. I take your pick right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. Need the whole walls. Hop in the fall. I tell that bitch to come for me. I swear these niggas is under me. The hate and the devil keep jumping me. They rose on me, keep me company. Hey, we did the most. Yeah, pull up and goes. Yeah, my diamonds are choker. Holding up, I with no holster. With the ruler, diamond cooler. This a roller, not a mule. Magic with the